Hello everyone, myself SR Kamble and we will discuss about the breeding of rose. A rose is a woody perennial flowering plant. It may be erect shrubs climbing or trailing with stem often armed with sharp prickles means thorn. Species, cultivar and hybrids are widely grown for their beauty of fragrance. Roses are acquired cultural significance. This is a symbol of love. Rose plant range in size from compact miniature roses to climber. The height of rose plant up to the 7-meter height. Scientific classification. The classification of rose is domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, phylum Magnoliophyta, classes Magnoliosida, order Rosalie, family Rosaceae, genus Rosoideae and species that is Rosa. Then origin of rose is Europe. Distribution of rose species, it is distributed or mainly grown in colder countries. The countries are Canada, America, Russia and Japan. In India, mainly in a northern state, also in a southern state. Then the different species of rose. So different species are available. So sweet briar, that is Rosa rubiginosa, Australian briar rose Rosa foetida, French rose that is Rosa gallica, Manipur tea rose Rosa gingatin, Father Hugo rose Rosa hugonis, Rosa cordesi, um, Koroki rose that is Rosa livigate, Muse rose Rosa muscata and Rosa multiflora. So the first that is a Australian briar rose Rosa foetida. So Rosa foetida, that is a erect shrub with prickly stem, flower single, bright golden yellow with unpleasant aroma, solitary or occasionally in a cluster of 2 to 3. Okay, so it has given rise to many modern yellow roses. So first it is a sweet barrier, first image that is a sweet barrier, and second that is the Australian briar rose, that is a yellow color flower. Manipur tea rose, Rosa gingatian. Rosa gingati, that is a very vigorous climber with thick hook prickle, flower large, single, white or pale yellow, fragrant and born singly. Okay, so first image that is a Manipur tea rosa, and second that is a Father Hugh rose. Then French rose, that is Rosa gallica. Rosa gallica, that is shrub rose with stiff erect stem, distinguished by comparatively thornlessness but and the abundance of small prickles. Flower single, purplish, crimson in a small cluster. So first image that is a Koreki rose, and second that is a Rosa cordesi, that is a pink color flower. Next it is a Rosa muscata. Then this flower, that is a vigorous climber with reddish sparsely prickly stem, flower with usually semi-double but sometimes single with musk fragrance in a terminal cluster. Next it is a Rosa multiflora, deciduous shrub with vigorous climbing branches, flower single, white with golden center of stem, born in a cluster and scented. So these are the images of Rosa muscata and Rosa multiflora. Next, that is a wild species of roses. So different wild species are available. So first that is a Rosa acicularis, found in Asia, Europe, North America. Then the Rosa arcansana, found in Central North America. Rosa canica, found in Europe, Northwest Africa, Western Asia. Rosa virginiana, found in the United States. Rosa woodsi, found in a Great Basin of a United States. So these are the images of the wild species of roses. The next, breeding objective of rose. So breeding object, so first one, that is a free flowering. So to develop the variety suitable for the cut flower with long stem and cultivar in an open field as well as under the protected conditions. So this is a one more object of rose breeding. Then brilliant and fragrance of flower. So to develop variety which are the demand in the domestic and international market for varies color and fragrance. Next, to develop varieties with enhance the vase life, then uniform flower shape, form and size. Next objective, that is growth should be vigorous. Then floriferous nature. Floriferous means a breeder focus on the plant that produce more abundant show, winter hardiness. Then evergreen plant type and foliage attractiveness. This is a one more object of breeding of rose. Then to develop long shelf life with less petal shedding. Then to develop a resistant variety. Okay, so resistant to pest and diseases. So diseases powdery mildew, black spot, scale, insects. So resistant variety are developed. Then thornless nature means to develop the thornless variety. And next one, that is a developing blue and purple color varieties as they are in great demand. Next, that is a breeding techniques in rose. So different breeding techniques are available. So first method of breeding, that is selection and natural crossing. So rose is a cross pollinated plant and normally pollinated by insect. It show the high heterozygosity and different ploidy level. It has a broad genetic base and seed show variable progeny. Modern varieties of rose show complex pedigree. Here a new form of rose obtained from the segregating population. A large number of modern roses varieties have been developed through the selection. So selection depend upon the object of breeding program. Then second method, that is a hybridization in a rose. Here the selection of a desirable parent followed by artificial crossing. So why the need of hybridization? So need of hybridization, that is abnormality in a flower, poor seed set, low seed germination. Okay, so first progeny are grown from the seed of plant crosses. Then the good seed and pollen parent are selected depending on the desirable character like disease resistant, flower shape and the color. The uh, larger population of a seedling greater in the chance of the finding desirable characters. So this is a procedure of a hybridization. So first step, that is choose the 6 or more bird on the mother rose bush. They should still be tightly closed. Second step, that is carefully remove the petals and anther from the several bud of the mother plant. Use nail clipper for this delicate task. The anther are the teeny stalk clustered in the flower center. The head are where pollen is stored. The anther should not be shedding pollen yet when you remove them. Then the group of pistil is the center of a flower will remain. Okay, cover the clip birds loosely with a paper envelope so you can find them again and to keep out a pollinated insect. Next step, let the prepared birds sit for 1 day. They will be ready to hybridize when the stigmas or top of the pistil become shiny and wet. Don't wait longer than 2 days. Okay, when the prepared bird are ready, remove open bloom from the father plant. The anther will be open and shedding powdery pollen. Carefully snip off the petals, leave the anther intact. Use this flower like a paintbrush to carefully dab the pollen onto all of the prepared mother flower. Cover again with the paper envelope. If you are a successful, the base of the mother flower will swell into a rose heap. The fruit of rose within 1 or 2 weeks. Rose heaps means this is a fruit of rose. The next leave the rose hips until they turned dark after a frost. Then the harvest them and store them in a sealed plastic bag in a refrigerator until spring. In a spring month or two before last frost date, cut the flower hips open and plant the seed. In a seed starting mix or potted soil in a plug tray. Set the tray into 70 to 75 degree greenhouse or in a southern exposure window. Keep the moist and fertilize regularly within a diluted balanced fertilizer. Then the seedling should grow big enough to bloom within 6 weeks. Choose the ones you wish nurture into full rose bushes, probably less than the 5%. And saying the other scientific attempt to the compost pile, pot the survivor in an individual pot until they can be planted in the garden. Next, that is breeding for disease resistance. So black spot is a major foliage disease of the roses that cause several losses to commercial and home garden. The breeding lines, that is spotless gold, spotless yellow and spotless pink, have been released for use of resistant parent in the breeding program. Some resistance variety have been developed through the complex hybridization like McNeese, Charles Albert, Camplain, William Baffin, etc., resistant to black spot and mildew. Then the breeding for better red rose. Cyanidin impart red color to flower petals, but two more pigments have been identified, that is chrysanthemine and pionine, which produce a red much more brilliant and much less prone to fade than cyanidin. The breeder may select varieties uh, containing large quantity of this pigment in the breeding program to produce the perfect red rose. Then third method, that is induced mutation. Mutation breeding has now become one of the most powerful complementary method for development of new varieties. More than 30 induced mutant rose variety has been commercialized. Physical mutation, that is radiation like X-ray, gamma rays, different chemical mutation like ethyl methane sulfonate, that is EMS, ethyl methane sulfonate, MMS, then N-nitroso and methyl urethane, sodium azide and colchicine have been widely used for the involving new cultivar. The chemical mutation have significant effect on growth and flowering characters, but different concentrations of EMS mutagen were found more effective than that of MMS. The effect of chemical mutation treatment was non-significant with respect to number of days required for sprouting. Sprouting of birds delayed with the increased concentration of a chemical mutation. The growth characters of a plant represented by the height of plant and spread of plant were significantly decreased with the increased concentration of the chemical mutation. So leaf area was highest at lowest concentration of EMS, that is a 0.20%. Then next method, that is polyploidy breeding. So in a polyploidy, chromosome number of rows is a 2n is equal to 14 to 56 number of chromosome. Early miniature are diploid, late one are a tetraploid. Hybrid trees and floribunda are tetraploid. Sterility of some diploid interspecific hybrid arise through genomic difference. The sterile diploid are Urgosa wicheriana max Graf, that is spontaneously produced. A tetraploid seedling are cordaceae, that is Rosa cordaceae. Polyploidy induced in a species and F1 interspecific hybrid by colchicine. An example of involvement of tetraploid variety is Eva. The cultivar Eva had been subsequently utilized to develop the modern roses, fashion, Bonn, Berlin, etc. Artificially, polyploidy has been induced through colchicine treatment of bird. So effect of polyploidy, that is increase the flower size, flower load, change in the growth pattern, increase the blooming period, create high diversity. So these are the effect of polyploidy on the plant of rose. Then next method, that is genetic engineering in rose. In the past, roses were simply red, yellow and white. Okay. Blue roses could not exist as rose plants are unable to produce blue pigment naturally. By means of gene technology, this goal has been achieved. Designer cut flower are being created with exceptional color, with a prolonged shelf life, with added fragrance, or with built-in frost protection. After 13 years of a joint research by Australian company Florigin and Japanese company Suntory, a blue rose was created in 2004 using a genetic engineering. Years of research resulted in the ability to insert a gene for the plant pigment delphinidine clone from petunia and into old garden cardinal de Richelieu rose. So it was about a breeding of rose. So thank you for watching my video.